welcome to my channel Dress Factory. I'm Shalini. We offer you huge collection of sarees, salwar suits, kurtis and jewelry at wholesale price. In this video, I'm going to show you all exclusive collection of bamboo silk sarees from Dress Factory. Come, let's get into the video. You can take a screenshot and WhatsApp to the number mentioned over the screen. For more collections, you can follow us on the Facebook and Instagram page. I have given links in the description box. Please comment on the product which you like the most. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications instantly.